Today you're going to be completing some task cards using the same box multiplication or partial products that we were working on the other day. As you can see, I've put the problem 56 times 32 already at the top, and then I've even been kind enough to put the numbers on there as well. So what you're going to do is you are going to use this in order to solve some problems. So again, you want to do the tens place. 5 times 3 is 15, and then you bring in your zeros. Right here I have 30 and 6, so 6 times 3 is 18, bring in my 0. Right here is 50 times 2, so 5 times 2 is 10, and I still need to bring in my 0. So even when you get a number, when you multiply the two numbers together, that's 0, you still need to make sure that you're bringing in that 0. And then 6 times 2 is 12. Now, on your card there is space for you to work out the problem here. So I'm going to put 1500, 180, 100, and 12. And what you're going to do is you're just going to add them all together. And I'm trying to line them up by their place value. So 0 plus 2 is 2. 8 plus 1 is 9. 5 plus 1 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Bring down my 1. So my answer is 1,792. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put this answer into box 1 of your task card sheet that you have with you. So I want you to do that right now. I want you to put in 1,792 as your answer into the first box. Now the cards that you have are laminated. So when you're done with your dry erase marker, you just erase it and then you move on to the next one. Let's look at number 2 together. Number 2 says 47 times 25. And again, I've already broken it up by place value. 47, 25. And again, I'm going to just look at my tens place if there's a 0 on the bottom, and then I'll put in my zeros at the end. So right here is 40 times 20. So 4 times 2 is 8, and I'm going to bring in my 2 zeros. Right here is 20 times 7, so 2 times 7 is 14. Add in my 0. Here is 40 times 5, so 4 times 5 is 20. Bring in my 0. And then 7 times 5 is 35. And again, you have enough space over here in order to add them all up. So I have 800, 200, 140, and 35. And again, I'm lining them up. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. 1 plus 2 is 3. And 3 plus 8 is 11. So my answer is 1,175. So what you need to do is you need to find box 2 on your answer sheet, and you need to put in 1,175. Now that we've completed 2 together, it's your turn. You need to complete at least 4 problems before coming to my small group today.